Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 6th Mathematics. And today my dear students, in the lesson Natural Numbers and Whole Numbers, we are studying the very interesting topic, that is brackets and their use. And it is the last topic of this lesson. Now we have studied in the previous standard solving numerical expressions involving the fundamental operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using Demas rule. Now Demas rule means, let's see. Demas rule. Division, D means division, we have to do the division first, then multiplication. After division, if there is a operation of multiplication, we have to do the multiplication. Then after multiplication, we have to add the numbers, it is the third operation, and the last operation is subtraction, that we have to do at the end. So first we have to do the operation. If the numbers are, many numbers are there, then we have to solve, divide first, then we multiply, then we add, and then we subtract. Let's see some examples. Here 4 plus 10 divide by 5 multiply by 2 means three operations are there: addition, division and multiplication. So by the Demas rule we have to divide here first. So our next step is 4 plus, as 10 divided by 5 means 2. So 4 plus 2 into 2 is the next step. Now here two operations are left, that is addition and multiplication. So here according to again Demas rule, after division we have to solve the multiplication. So when you multiply 2 by 2, it gives us 4. So 4 plus 4, now only one operation is left, that is addition. So 4 plus 4 equals to 8. This is how to solve the numbers using the operations. Now here another one. Again here division, multiplication and subtraction is there, that is the difference between first and second. So here again we have to use the division first. So 36 divided by 4 means 9. Then multiply by 3 minus 5, we will have to write as it is. Again 9 multiplied by 3 means 27, and 27 minus 5 gives you 22. This is how to solve the numerical expressions which involves the operations, basic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now let us now learn to solve numerical expressions but with the operations. Now there are the different types of brackets. So most commonly used brackets are, see, everywhere you used to use this type of bracket. So this type of bracket is called, generally we call it as a round bracket, actual name is parenthesis. But in common we use only the round bracket word. Now second it is the curly bracket. This type of brackets are called curly brackets. And the third is square brackets. Now the sequence is given: round bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. In that sequence only we have to solve the numerical expressions if this type of brackets are involved in that. So let's see some examples which involves the brackets. See here in example 1, all three types of brackets are there, and beside that subtraction and addition operations are there. So let's see how to solve. So here first we have to solve the round bracket. So we have to remove the round bracket. Now under the round bracket two numbers are there, that is 5 plus 10. So we will do whatever the operations are there, but if the brackets are there we have to follow the sequence of the bracket. So here first we will remove the round bracket. So in the next step, instead of writing 5 plus 10, we will remove the bracket, round bracket, and we will write in place of 5 plus 10, we will write 15. Just see. So here the remaining numbers are as it is, but in place of 5 plus 10, we have written the 15 and round bracket is removed. Now in the second step, you have to remove the curly brackets, and the numbers inside the curly brackets are 45 minus 15. So we have to solve that first and remove the curly brackets. Here is the next step. So when you solve the curly brackets, 45 minus 15 gives you 30. Now we removed the curly bracket. Now only one bracket is left, that is the square bracket. In that square bracket, 40 minus 30, I already underlined the digits. 40 minus 30 is left. So we have to solve that number first because that numbers are in the bracket. So next step will be like this. 23 minus 10. That means 40 minus 30 equals to 10. All the brackets are removed. Now only two numbers are left, that is 23 minus 10. So the answer is 13. This is how to solve the numerical expressions which involves the bracket. Let's see one more example. Now here the operations involved are subtraction, division and multiplication, and the types of brackets used are two. So let's see how to solve this question. Here we have 33 minus, in the bracket, square bracket, 40 divided by, in the round bracket, 4 multiplied by 5, round bracket complete, and then square bracket. So here by first rule we have to remove the round bracket. That means we have to first apply the multiplication. So 4 multiplied by 5 means, see, 20. Now the round bracket is removed. Only one bracket is left, that is square bracket. So we have to solve the square bracket first. 40 divided by 20 means 2. So the next step is 33 minus 2 and the answer is 31. Very easy. So this is how to solve the brackets, removing brackets when the different types of operations are there. So my dear students, hope you understand how to solve the brackets involving numerical expressions. Now here is a small assignment for you with the different operations and different types of brackets. Try to solve it and hope whatever we have learned today you understand, and now it's your time to apply that knowledge and understanding to solve this assignment. Thank you. Have a nice day, students.